Welcome to the PayGate PayWeb ZenCart payment plugin. Here we're going to go through some setup instructions. So to get started, head over to the PayGate GitHub repo and go to the releases page, and you're going to see here the ZenCart 1.5.5 PayGate PayWeb 3 plugin 1.0.3. Your version may be a bit newer. Okay, so you're going to click that, download, save to a good location, and then you're going to extract the zip. In a Windows or Mac environment, you may or may not need to download a zip plugin. So if you open here, you're going to see your includes folder, and you're going to see the payment instructions. You're going to open that up, and we're going to run through this. So step 1 says extract the content of the above mentioned zip file to your preferred location on your computer, which you've done. This can be done using unzipping applications such as WinZip and many others, but for a complete list of suitable applications and programs, simply search the internet for unzipping application. In Windows 10 and Mac OS, you can generally unzip straight away in the newer versions. This process should create a number of files and folders at the location you choose to extract them to. Upload includes folder, this is step 2 here. Upload includes folder to your ZenCart root folder, ensuring you supplement the files and folders already in place instead of replacing them. This can be done using FTP clients such as FileZilla and many others, but for a complete list of suitable applications and programs, simply search the internet for FTP client. I recommend FileZilla. I find it works very well and it's become the industry standard. And as you can see, on the left hand side we've got our plugin, and on the right hand side we've got the ZenCart root directory. So I'm going to just click upload, and that's the plugin uploaded. Now we're going to go to the next step. Step 3 says go to admin modules payment section of the ZenCart admin tools. So this is our admin backend. We're going to click payment under modules. So it's admin modules payment. Okay, and we're going to see, it says the next step is click on credit card PayGate South Africa. Here we can see secure payment using PayGate. So we're going to click that, and then we're going to hit install, and I think it tells us that over here. It says they have a slightly different name here, but they say hit install and then install and activate the module. Okay, so we're going to hit install. Here we've got some settings, so we can enable it. We can set the PayGate ID and the encryption key. These are the default testing ones, which should work out the box. Just to test, you must put your own PayGate ID and encryption key once you're done. And there's a few other options here which aren't really needed. Debug mode false, that's it. We're going to hit the update. And that's the basic plugin setup. As it says, you can click on the edit button to enter the applicable values, so you could always come back, hit that edit button and change any details that you need to. And then in theory, the plugin should now be set up. So we now have just added a product to the cart, and we're on the checkout, and secure payment using PayGate is down there. We're going to hit continue. We have the checkout confirmation page. We can say confirm order. And now we will be redirected to the PayGate payment page if everything is correct. Here you can do your test transaction. You can see in this case it's converted to ZAR from USD. You don't have to use USD, but we just had the default $12.50 USD. So that's it. Congratulations. ZenCart now has PayGate configured as a payment gateway.